Hey there, my name is Dylan Schmidt, and I'm an automation specialist at Proval Tech. Today, I want to go over how to disable an internal monitor in ConnectWise Automate. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you never have to miss out on another video. Let's get into it. You may want to disable a monitor for a handful of reasons. Maybe it's creating a lot of tickets, maybe it's a test monitor that you no longer need. To disable an internal monitor, we first need to open up Monitors from Automation Monitors, and then go to the Internal Monitors tab. From here, we can double click the monitor we would like to disable, in this case, a test monitor. Go to the Configurations tab, and the one thing we need to do is set the next runtime to over 1 year in the future. So if today is December 5th, 2024, I can set this to December 6th, 2025, and that will disable it. What I like to do in this case is kind of set a standardized date to set this to well into the future. So I will usually set this to January 1st, 2029, and then also add a quick tag to the monitor name just to indicate that we have disabled this on purpose. This helps differentiate between monitors that we have disabled on purpose as to ones that may have been disabled by the system because they timed out or there was an error in the SQL query. So once I do that, hit save, I can refresh this view here and see that our monitor is now tagged as disabled, monitor status is disabled, and the next scan date is set to January 1st, 2029. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on ConnectWise Automate. Let us know what else you'd like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.